Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 217 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about feeling grounded, especially when life feels unsteady. This is a moment to return to yourself, to the steadiness beneath your feet. Begin by taking a slow breath in and exhale gently. Feel your feet touching the ground and notice the support beneath you. Now, say to yourself, I am grounded, I am supported, and I return to the present. Let each breath root you deeper into calm. There's nowhere to go, just here. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of grounding with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.